Hi friends, let me introduce my friends Charan Sai Manvit, Chaitanya Venkat Sai, Barra Jay Santosh, and Vivekananda. Today we're discussing about clutches. Uh, Charan Sai Manvit, start here.
Clutch is a mechanism used to connect or disconnect the engine from the rest of the transmission elements. When clutch is engaged, the engine is connected to the transmission system and power is delivered to the wheels. When the clutch is disengaged by pressing the clutch pedal, the engine will be disconnected from the powertrain. Clutch, how it works, device to engage and disengage engine to transmission. Clutch engage. The power flows from engine to rear wheels. Wheel moves. Clutch disengaged. Power is not transmitted, but vehicle stops while engine still running. Clutch disengaged when starting engine, shifting gear, stopping wheels, and idling engine. Clutch engaged when vehicle is moving.
I'm going to tell about the function of the clutches. To permit the engagement and disengagement of a gear with the vehicle is stationary and the engine is running. Smooth transmissions of engine power to rear wheels without shocks to, to facilitate in smooth shifting of gears. And type of clutches are frictional clutches and fluid flywheel clutches. In frictional clutches, they are also subdivided into dog clutch, cone clutch, and centrifugal clutch. In fluid flywheel clutches, they are subdivided into single plate clutch and multi plate clutch.
Frictional
Centrifugal
clutches.
clutch. Centrifugal clutch. Automatic clutch controlled by engine speed through accelerator. Engine speed increases, clutch engages. Engine speed decreases, clutch disengages. Once driving member fitted on driving shaft, other driving member drum. Driving member. Two curved shoes are flyweight with frictional linings are anchored with at one end to back plate and keep in position by means of pull springs. When a driving member rotates with engine shaft, engine speed increases and centrifugal force increases. Shoes fly outward and contact driven member, both rotate together and the clutch is engaged. Engine speed decreases, centrifugal force decreases, shoes return to original position and clutch is disengages. It is used in mopeds. Now Chaitanya will start, will continue the session.
In friction clutches, there are two types. There are two types of clutches. First one is dog clutch and second one is cone clutch. First one, dog clutch. Types of clutch that couples two rotating components not by friction but by interference. One part will push the other, causing both the rotate at same speed and will never spill. Used where spell is undesirable and or clutch is not used to control torque, not affected by VA. Used in manual automatic transmissions to lock different gears to rotating input and output shaft. Next one is cone clutch. Instead of mating two spinning discs, cone clutch uses two conical surfaces to transmit torque by friction. Transfers a higher torque than plate or disc clutches of the same size due to wedging action and increased surface area. Used in low speed applications,
Hmm?
racing off-road vehicles, power boats. This is because clutch does not have to push in all the ways and the gears will be changed. Used in manual transmissions. Advantages and disadvantages of clone clutches. Advantages. When compared to single plate clutches, normal force on frictional surfaces is greater than axial force. A difficult to clutch is if cone angle is less than 20 degrees as one cone tends to bend in other. Small amount of wear on surface results in more axial amount of cones.
Friction clutches consist of two plate clutches, single plate clutch and multi plate clutch. Single plate clutch. Clutch plate both sides with frictional material mounted on a hub which is free to move axially along spines or driven shaft. Pressure plate is mounted inside clutch body, which is bolted to flywheel. Both pressure plate and flywheel rotate with engine crankshaft. Pressure plate pushes clutch plate towards flywheel by a set of strong springs, which are arranged radially inside the body. 3 levers are carried on pivots suspended from case of body, arranged in such a manner so that pressure plate moves away from flywheel by inward movement of thrust brake. Clutch pedal pressed down. Linkage forces thrust release bearing to move in towards flywheel in pressing long ends of levers inward. Axial pressure existed by the spring provides a frictional force in circumferential direction. Multi-plate clutch. More than one diamond plate used in automatic gearboxes where a number of clutches hold various gear elements and as the clutch diameter in these units is limited. A multi-plate clutch is suitable. Early motor covers. Cover bolted to flywheel engages on outer plates, acts on inner plates planar to the hub. Third springs push plates together to form a drive. Clutch disengagement. End plate is withdrawn to compress springs and release other plates. Difficult to ensure disintegration of all plates. Thank you.